If the roots of 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal 0 are real and equal, then k value find out. So here quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal 0. They compare with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. Here a equal 2, b equal k, c equal 3. But whatever they are giving, roots of this equation are real. So formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B value k. K square minus 4 into a into 2 into 3 equal 0. K square minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Minus 24 equal 0. K square equal 24. K equal plus or minus root 24. 4 into 6. 4 means 2 root 6 plus or minus. If 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 5 are collinear, then find out k value. So here they are giving 3 points. Delta ABC is a collinear means equal 0. So formula x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1, x3 into y1 minus y2 equal 0. x1 value 8, y1 value 1, x2 k, y2 minus 4, x3 2, y3 minus 5. So we can substitute this values in this formula. X1 8 into y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus of minus 5 plus k into y3 minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus of minus 4 equal 0. 8 minus 4 plus 5, k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 5 equal 0. 8 into minus 4 plus 1 5 1, 8 1 ja 8 minus 6 into k minus 6k plus 10 equal 0. 18 minus 6k equal 0. 6k ఇతలకు వస్తే 6k equal to 18, k equal to 3. This value.